Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can install software on a Linux Mint device. Now, I'm going to be using the GUI or the graphical user interface. You can also use the terminal. I'm going to quickly open the terminal so we can look at the version we are running. So, around cat 8c OS release here. So, I'm running version 22.2. Okay. Now, if you have a new install, it's recommended to do like a software update and upgrade before you do anything else. That way you have all your latest packages available. So on the terminal, you run sudo apt update. Okay, put in a password. Once that is done, you can then upgrade your software packages using sudo apt upgrade. So for me, it says there's nothing to upgrade because I recently did the upgrade. So these are the two commands you want to start with. And I will open the package manager that we can use to install and uninstall software. So click on the menu and then search for software manager. So this is software manager. And here you can search for the software you want to download. Now we'll just install Sublime as an example here. So you can search for software by just typing the name here. So once you find it, click on it. Then you have this option to install it. Click on install and then put in your password. And the installation should begin. Okay, once it's done installing, we can go ahead and search for it in the menu to open it. Okay, you can close this. Go to the menu, search for the software you just installed. So we have Sublime Text. So this is a text editor, and there it is. So you can use it to edit text. Okay. And that's it for installing software. Now when it comes to uninstalling software, same thing, we'll go in the reverse process. So open Software Manager again. Search for the software you want to uninstall. Okay, click on it. And now you see here we have an option to remove. Before we didn't have that option. Because the software wasn't installed on our system yet, we only had the option to install it. Now we have the option to launch or to remove. So to uninstall, click on remove. Again, put in your password. Okay, now you see we have the option to install. Now if I close this and go to the menu again and search for Sublime, you'll see that I'm not finding that software because I just uninstalled it. So that's a quick way to use the software manager to install and uninstall software on a Linux Mint device. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.